Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a compatible archiver like 7-zip. Once done, make a full backup of the encrypted file so you can't corrupt the only copy. Next, identify the archive type and encryption. AES 256 versus legacy ZIP crypto changes the approach. If you have a key file or passphrase, place it in a secure local folder. Then run a quick list command to confirm the tool recognizes the archive header before attempting extraction. You now perform the decryption and extraction step. Run an explicit extract command and supply the passphrase or key file. For example, use 7zxarchivo/tmp/extract_p_yourpes. If the header itself is encrypted, pipe raw output through the appropriate decryption helper and only then extract. Always extract into a dedicated temporary folder to avoid overwriting, and once done, verify checksums or open a known file to confirm correct decryption and intact data. You finish by moving recovered files to their final location and setting restrictive permissions so only you can read them. Make a fresh encrypted backup if needed. Once satisfied, securely delete temporary files. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to check passphrase encoding and key file format, try UTF-8 versus legacy encodings, and validate the key file with hashing. If the header seems corrupted, attempt repair with a tool that supports partial recovery before giving up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.